What's going on? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and today I have a really weird question to ask. If you could wave a magic wand in your business and change the one thing that you were stuck on or that was bothering you, what would that be? Would it be generating more leads, selling more deals, fulfilling better, managing employees or contractors better? So if you're stuck in the business and you could change anything you wanted with the drop of the hat, rub the magic genie bottle, what would it be that you'd change? I know for us early on, when we were starting out, it was more leads. So like how would we get more leads into the business? For some people, it might be like how to sell more leads into deals. For some, it may be how to fulfill better. Some, it might be how to stop working 60 hours a week or whatever it is. Let me know below. Let me know in the comments what you're thinking. If you could wave a magic wand and change one thing about your agency or your startup agency or whatever it is, what would it be? Give me some context. Really curious as to kind of your situation, where you're currently at. Just drop a comment below and give me an idea of what you're struggling with the most in your agency. Again, it's Ed here from ClicksGeek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency. We specialize in lead gen for local business, and we also have some courses teaching Google Ads Management, landing pages, all sorts of stuff like that. So if you want any of that stuff, just check the link in the description. That's it for today. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.